Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily, and in this video I will be taking a closer look at a new stamp set from Miss Ink. This stamp set will be available on Saturday, and this one is called Bunny and Bear, and it's this adorable 4x4 I believe stamp set, including a bear with a bunny, a rainbow and a sun, and also a sentiment that says "You are my rainbow." So this set is perfect if you just want to do some fast coloring, and if you like to just play around with this set and create some fun cards you can pair with other sentiments if that is not a sentiment that you like for your project. I just wanted to point that out. So it's really a cute set, and it goes really well with previously released sets from Miss Ink. And that is also the same sort of drawing of this little cute bear, but he is doing other stuff. So go and check those out if you like. I just spent some time Copic coloring in my image here, and I just did it in some with my Copic markers. It's my preferred medium to use, and then I used a scissor to cut it out. I was done with all of the coloring. I chose a stencil here. This is called Bear Hugs Layering, and it was released in May, and it's a part of a couple of sets that you can create this really cute bear that is in a heart. You can see I'm using my grids here on my background just to line up a straight edge, and then I will cover the upper part of this standard A2 size card front with a really light blue shade so that I have something to work with. And I was deciding that I needed some more texture, and I will go in with some paper glaze. This is from Picket Fence Studios. I used to love this really light minty shade. And by the way, all of the products that are available at this moment will be listed down below. So and this bear will be available on Saturday, as I said. So after that I can go back and link that one as well. So you can see here I had a little helping hand there, but you can see here how everything looks, and I will fastly remove this and go and clean everything up so that it doesn't stick on top of my tools and the stencil, and then I can remove that post-it note that protected our lower part, and I let this dry for a couple of hours. You can see I'm just scraping off the edges there so I don't have anything that is hanging off, since I will be using the entire piece and I will not be cutting anything off. So you can see the shine on that one. And after letting this dry for a couple of hours, this is how it looks, and I can take some strong liquid glue to the back side and attach it to my standard A2 size card front, and then we can play around with all of the elements that we created. But before I am attaching anything, I will stamp my sentiment, and since this is a really clean and simple card, I just stamped in black the sentiment, and then I will have my rainbow, and you can see I bumped it up with some foam squares, and then our bear and bunny in the middle there. So you can see it looks like he's grounded with the sky there, and I love the texture that we created in the background. I also spent some time using a glitter pen here and just going over my image so I have some shine. I hope the camera is picking it up. It's really beautiful in real life. And then I use some sequins. These are from Trinity, but you can use whatever you have in your stash. I just wanted some bling that wasn't too distractive from our background and our bear. So here is our finished card. I hope you can see how this clean and simple card turned out. And stay tuned, because on Saturday, as I said, Miss Ink will have the whole release available. So until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!